Hi everyone, I am MD SHAMRAT MIAH. Today I am going to show you how can we uh, remove a constraint from our SQL server. So for this work, we have a constraint on my SQL server. I am showing you that on my SQL server. Here is the constraint I have. I make this constraint. The name of constraint is df constraint. The constraint was actually for this one of my table name is salary employee, and this default constraint was active with one of my column. This column was for month from here, and now I don't need to keep that constraint uh, on that specific column, I mean month column. So I have to drop this constraint, default constraint from on month column. So for this query, I have to, uh, sorry, for these things I have to comment my some query because I don't need to execute any more time now because I'm doing something else to show that how to drop our constraint, default constraint. So for these things in here I can write my query, alter table and table name. My table name is salary employee. Salary employee. Then I have to be right on here, drop constraint, and constraint name. My constraint name I can copy it from here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now I need to comment this also. So for drop any constraint, not only for default constraint, if we want to remove any constraint like as primary constraint, primary key constraint, unique key constraint, foreign key constraint, like as default key constraint, our same process we have to do just only two statements like as alter table name and drop constraint and our given constraint name, what we give after declare our specific constraint. So I'm going to select this and execute this. Commands completed successfully. And now if I execute this again, there will be an error message that is df constraint is not a constraint. Okay, could not drop constraint, see previous error. Okay, our constraint has already removed from here now because df constraint is not a constraint. So actually this line is telling to us that we have nothing like as df constraint. So I am showing you something from here that I'm making this comment. Okay, and if I write here okay, just a second please, I'm just making a comment in here because I can remember it later when I open this page again for my own need on work. That time I can easily get that easily catch that I work in here for drop something. Okay, drop uh, default constraint. Okay, so now if I'm going to uncomment this, sorry, I have to use in here with my keyboard. That will be fine. Yep, uncomment. Okay, And if I try to execute something from here, like as Raju, I can do in here with Raju name. Okay, so I can change his value a little bit. Okay, so if I execute this, then what will happen? We are now going to see this one rows affected. Okay, so comment again, and if we uh, execute this statement after uncomment for 7, then you see here is no constraint in here. Here is no any default constraint, because always default constraint always keeps something with default, which what has already defined by programmer. So with my default constraint, I had already given pending values. So if I didn't remove, if I didn't drop my default constraint from my query, that time when I execute my insertion process, that time a default value pending should be supposed to be insert in here by automatically, because I didn't mention any month column in here, and also I didn't give any values in here inside values. Okay, so that's mean that if my default constraints active till now, then the pending default value supposed to be input in here. But now at this moment I don't have any default constraint, so that's why this option are supposed to be show us null. So I hope that you understand the process for how to drop a constraint like as default constraint, and you should exercise on your own SQL server, then you will realize it very easily. Thank you very much.